If Grammarly is showing a service status message or a connection error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This usually means Grammarly can't properly connect to its servers, and in most cases, the problem is caused by a temporary outage, stored browser data, or a conflicting extension. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to check Grammarly's status, clear the right site permissions, and remove anything that may be blocking the app from working correctly. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Now let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is check whether Grammarly itself is having a service issue. Open your browser and go to status.grammarly.com. Once the page loads, look at the system status and make sure everything is marked as operational. If Grammarly is experiencing downtime, then the issue is on their side, and the best thing to do is wait and try again later. But if everything shows as operational and you're still getting the error, then the issue is probably on your device or browser, so keep going with the next steps. Now let's clear any stored Grammarly data and site permissions that may be causing the problem. Open Chrome and type chrome://settings/content into the address bar, then press enter. On the settings page, look for the option that says View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. Click that and then search for anything related to Grammarly. You may see saved site data, cookies, or permissions that are interfering with the connection. Click the trash can icon next to all Grammarly-related entries to remove them. This helps reset the connection and often clears up the service status error right away. After that, it's a good idea to check for browser extensions that might be conflicting with Grammarly. Open a new tab and type chrome://extensions into the address bar, then press enter. Here you'll see a list of all your installed extensions. Turn off anything that could interfere with Grammarly, especially ad blockers, VPN extensions, privacy tools, script blockers, or anything that modifies websites in the background. Sometimes these extensions prevent Grammarly from connecting properly, and disabling them can instantly fix the issue. If you're not sure which one is causing the problem, try turning them off one by one and refreshing Grammarly after each change. Once you've done that, go back and try Grammarly again. Refresh the page or reopen the Grammarly app and see if the error is gone. In many cases, one of these steps will resolve the problem immediately. If it still isn't working, you may also want to restart your browser, sign out and sign back into Grammarly, or test the service in a different browser to see whether the issue is browser specific. So to quickly recap, first check Grammarly's official service status, then clear Grammarly site data and permissions, and finally disable any conflicting extensions. Those 3 steps solve the majority of Grammarly service status errors. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more troubleshooting guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.